The Huawei Mate 70 Pro marks a significant advancement in Huawei's smartphone lineup. This flagship device boasts a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a variable refresh rate ranging from 1 to 120 Hz, ensuring smooth visuals and responsiveness. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro boasts a premium design and robust build quality. It features a symmetrical star-ring design, combining metal and glass materials for a sleek appearance. The device is available in 4 classic colors: obsidian black, snow white, spruce green, and hyacinth purple. In terms of durability, the Mate 70 Pro utilizes second-generation Kunlun glass, offering 20 times improved drop resistance. The incorporation of ultra-durable nylon material enhances its impact resistance by 5 times, providing substantial protection against external damage. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro features a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1316 by 2832 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of approximately 453 ppi. The screen supports a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and can reach a peak brightness of 2500 nits, enhancing visibility even in bright environments. Additionally, it is protected by Huawei's Kunlun Glass 2, offering increased durability against scratches and impacts. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro, released on November 26, 2024, delivers a robust performance profile. It is powered by the Kirin 9020 chipset, an octa-core processor with a configuration of 1 by 2.5 GHz, 3 by 2.15 GHz, and 4 by 1.6 GHz cores, paired with the Malone 920 GPU. This combination ensures efficient multitasking and smooth graphics rendering. In benchmark tests, the Mate 70 Pro Plus variant achieved an AnTuTu score of 1,248,520 points, indicating a performance improvement of nearly 30% over its predecessor, the Kirin 9010. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro boasts a versatile triple-camera system designed to deliver high-quality photography across various scenarios: a 50MP main sensor equipped with phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and optical image stabilization, OIS. A 48MP periscope telephoto lens offering 3.5x optical zoom, PDAF, and OIS for detailed distant shots. A 40MP ultra-wide sensor providing a 120 degrees field of view for capturing wide scenes. For selfies, the Mate 70 Pro offers a 13MP front camera with an f/2.4 aperture and an 18mm ultra-wide lens, accompanied by a ToF 3D sensor for depth and biometric functions. This setup supports HDR and panorama modes, as well as 4K and 1080p video recording. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro equipped with 12GB of RAM, the Mate 70 Pro ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance across various applications. The device is available in 3 storage capacities: 256GB, 512GB, 1TB. These options provide flexibility for users with different storage needs, from moderate to extensive. The Huawei Mate 70 Pro is equipped with a substantial 5500 mAh battery, ensuring extended usage throughout the day. It supports 100W wired charging, allowing for rapid recharging, and 80W wireless charging for added convenience. Additionally, the device offers reverse wireless charging capabilities, enabling it to serve as a power source for other compatible devices. In terms of battery performance, the Mate 70 Pro can typically last up to 36 hours on moderate use, providing reliable endurance for daily activities. Pros: offers top-tier photography with Leica lenses and advanced AI features. Kirin 9020 chipset for smooth multitasking and gaming. 6.9-inch LTPO OLED with vibrant colors and high resolution. 5500 mAh battery with fast charging for all-day use. Offers fast connectivity for smooth internet experience. Cons: lacks Google Play services, which may be inconvenient for some users. High price point compared to other flagships. Not available in many regions due to restrictions. Conclusion: the Huawei Mate 70 Pro offers a premium design, powerful performance with its Kirin 9020 series chip, and an impressive camera system, making it a strong contender in the flagship smartphone market. Its standout features include a vibrant LTPO OLED display, fast charging, and excellent battery life. However, the lack of Google services may be a limitation for some users. Overall, it's a solid device for those seeking top-tier performance and photography in an Android phone.